Hello guys, we are here again on the other side of the park, and I'll show you these nice flowers here, different flowers. See, as you can see here. And I think this is a single petal sunflowers. Yeah, it's very nice. And there is another part of the flowers. This one is a margarita, but all are yellow, and a bunch of white flowers here. Very nice. See, there you go. And here there's another here. It's the other side. There are all yellow mini sunflowers. And here there's another one there. And this one are margarita again. Double petal margarita here on the other side. There, yeah, this morning it rains and then it stopped again. See, very nice. And there's an orange flowers here. I'll show you. This is nice. I think this is familiar to me. These flowers, orange flowers. And the other one is this one, a pink one. This is the pink one. There you go. Very nice. And there's another one there. The orange flowers again. See, I like these colors. And there's another pink here again. Yeah. As you can see here, this is a nice place to relax. You can see different kinds of flowers here. And there's another one here which is pink. 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 There you go. And there's another one there. There's another one here. There, it's mini flowers. And this one is another one. There you go. Very nice. Look. And I think that's it for now. And subscribe this channel. Thank you. And bye-bye.